Why should anyone consider acquiring a Mercedes-Benz 2005 CL65 AMG? The answer lies in the blend of luxury, power, and technology that this particular model offers. The Mercedes-Benz 2005 CL65 AMG is no ordinary car. It's a statement. It's a testament to the engineering prowess and design philosophy that Mercedes-Benz has cultivated over the years. With a twin-turbocharged V12 engine, this car doesn't just purr, it roars. It boasts an impressive 600 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. But the power isn't the only thing that sets this car apart. The CL65 AMG showcases Mercedes' dedication to luxury. The interior is a blend of high-quality leather, fine wood, and brushed metal, creating an environment that is as comfortable as it is stylish. The seats are not only heated, but also offer a massage function, turning every drive into a spa-like experience. In terms of technology, the Mercedes-Benz 2005 CL65 AMG was ahead of its time. It's equipped with an advanced infotainment system, navigation, and a premium sound system that offers a concert-like experience right in your car. And let's not forget about the safety features. From the anti-lock brake system to the advanced airbags and stability control, this car is designed to keep you and your passengers safe. And then there's the rarity factor. The CL65 AMG is a limited edition model, which adds an extra layer of exclusivity. Owning one not only means enjoying a high-performance, luxurious ride, but also joining an exclusive club of automobile enthusiasts. In summary, the Mercedes-Benz 2005 CL65 AMG is a standout model that offers a potent blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology. It's a car that makes a statement, offering an unmatched driving experience. It's a testament to Mercedes' commitment to excellence, a vehicle that was ahead of its time and continues to impress today. Listed for sale in Vancouver, British Columbia. Owning one is not just about having a means of transportation. It's about experiencing the thrill of superior performance, the comfort of luxurious interiors, and the pride of owning a piece of automotive history.